Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp login connecting problem or WhatsApp new account create is stuck on connecting problem. So let's see the step. First of all, just go to Play Store and click on search bar and search for WhatsApp. From here update your WhatsApp if it available. Now tap and hold WhatsApp. Now click on I button or app info. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache. Now go back, click on archive. Now click on restore. After completing the process, now go back to home screen. Now go to settings, click on search bar and search reset settings. Now click on reset all settings. Again click on reset all settings. Now click on reset settings and open WhatsApp. Now try to log in WhatsApp. And see problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.